Hello and good day, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me in today's session. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all in today's session. The main topic that is the history of Photoshop that we are going to discuss today, and it's been our 14th consecutive session. The students are getting enrolled and they are getting trainings, but you often people and the students from my institute, they used to ask this question that what exactly is the history of Photoshop. So I thought just to give you a small brief of this world leading software, which has always been the number one software in the world for the photo editings or anything which any work which relates to the photos. There is only one software in the world, and not only the only one, but perhaps the number one software in the world is Photoshop. So my dear students, the Photoshop in fact started in 1988 by two brothers. That was their project for the university. The one brother name was Thomas and John Knoll. And the software was originally developed in 1987 by these Knoll brothers, and then was sold to Adobe System Incorporated in 1988. And then in fact the first icon of that software was something like this. And this software actually, which started in 1988 by Adobe Systems, was uh, further developed up till 1990, and the continuation of upgradation and the latest version that is always been a part of this software. That is why this is known the number one software in the world, because it is always upgrading. It is always coming with so many variety of options, variety of new tools, which helps a lot of students, a lot of professionals, a lot of freelancers like me, whosoever is interested in learning the new skills, new technologies using Photoshop software. This program, in fact, started as a simple solution for displaying grayscale images. The first, the purpose of this software, the first purpose of the software was displaying grayscale images on a monochrome displays. And after some encouragement from two brothers, and they have showed this to fellows and some of the uh, closer participants of this evaluation of the softwares, they came up with thumbs up and they said it's a very good thing, and we need to keep doing this upgradation of this software. So in fact, that is how it gets started. And there are plenty of versions which came across starting from 1988, 1990. This was the first version of the Photoshop, when in fact the first time we saw this software. That was the first version. And initially, if I was a student at that time, and I thought it is one of the most difficult software to practice and to learn, because it has a variety of variety of tools available to do certain things. So basically, Photoshop is meant for two purposes. One is to photo edit, and then the second is to create multiple things using variety of tools which were lately available in the latest versions. So before Adobe purchased the software, both the brothers tried to market the software as best as they could. And they worked out as a deal with a scanner company, which usually relates to the scanning of different type of images. But unfortunately, uh, they were not able to succeed at that time. Eventually, they thought this is not their prime, this is not their good way, so they sold out the software to Adobe Incorporate. And then Adobe Incorporate was, even at that time, one of the leading software which used to develop different kind of softwares for the whole world. And now if you move to adobe.com, they offers you a lot of softwares. If I'm not wrong, around 40 or 50 softwares which are readily available, and you can opt according to your requirements, regardless that's an audio, video, pictures, mobile application development, and there is a lot which you can do using Adobe softwares. So this evaluation started, and starting from 1991, there are plenty of softwares which came across, and right now we have reached to 2020, which has a lot more latest versions available. Not only this, but they provide a lot of trainings, free of cost training, uh, uh, alongside with this latest version. So the best way is that you can download the software from adobe.com, and they gives you, with if you logged in with your login and credentials, with your email address, they gives you this software for 1 month trial version. You can download and start doing practice. So that is what this originally this software is all about. I'm pretty sure that if you start doing photoshopping with me or with my institute, that is Institute of Freelancing, I assure you there is a lot more creative things that are on the way, that are actually we are going to discuss new and new creative things, and you will be able to learn a lot of new things if you join us on YouTube. Thank you very much, dear students, for joining me into this small history of Photoshop course. And this is a continuation of the lectures. In the coming lectures, we will be discussing the overall environment, and then the tools, and then the basic concepts related to the photo editing. So take very good care of yourself, and thank you very much, and bye bye.